Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work in Slack for an agency or with an agency. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you will be needing to do is just to set up your working space for your agency. So simply, in Slack, you will be needing to start creating your working space. And to create a working space, you will be needing either like to go and create your own working space on the Slack website. And from there, you can get a demo or just click on create a new working space. And from there, you will be able to start like either having like the premium version and get a subscription or get a plan for your working space, or you can just use the free version. And I'm using only the free version. And basically, when you get your working space, you will be needing just to go to your channel. And from channels, you will be able to start creating a channel for this agency, or like you can organize your own working space however you'd like. So basically, those are like they might be shared channel. You can have them as shared. You can, for example, have them private, etc. So you can click on create channel. I'm just going to click on create one, and from there you have already some templates. So let's just stick with a blank one, and from here you will add like whatever you'd like from the channel. So I'm just going to call it agency. As you can see here, from here you can either make it a public or private. So I'm just going to specify to be a private, and now that is a private. Here you can be able to start like adding people to it. So you can invite them by emails. So I'm just going to skip for now. Now, let's suppose that you want to start adding people after that you have created the channel. So simply, you would be needing just to go and search for the participants or the people. And from here, you will be able to click on add people. And from here, you can click on add to agency. And then you can start like add-in by email. So you can just do whatever the email was, like something like that, .com, etc., etc. And then you click on invite. And after that, you will be able to start like communicating inside this channel. And as you can see, you can have like private channels. You can also start creating public channels, or you can have like DMs or like direct messaging with some specific person, or you can also create some group. And from here, we'll have like a many features that you can start using for your channel, like creating a Canva that would be, for example, such a guide or whatever. And from here, like list for example, to be like a checklist for something, or like a list as a guide also, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.